Welcome to your new home! Let's have a tour! This is so great! Are you kidding me? Ugh, so lame. Oh hey! Make space for my doll. I don't think so. I said make space! Now let's rock! Whoa! That's more like it. This is our house now. Ouch! My head! You made a big mistake! What are you talking about? This is my dollhouse! Oh yeah? Take that! Is that the best you've got? I'm just getting started! Bring it on! Oh no! Look out! Ow! That hurt! That's gonna leave a bump. Ugh! What? Is my doll okay? Oh no! The house! This is all your fault! Whoa, look at this! This is exciting! Let's see what we're working with. This isn't a doll's house, it's a nightmare! Yikes, that's nasty. Huh, this isn't much better. This might take some work. What are we waiting for? Let's go! It's like cutting a ribbon. I feel like a celebrity. What do you think? Wait, what's that smell? Ew, you stink! I know what to do. Are you kidding me? Hey! Time to get to work. I'm gonna enjoy this. Relax, it's for the house. Here goes. Oh, this is tough. How's it looking? Phew, that should do it. But I'm not finished. I'll need this. It fits. Now I'll need a lawn. I'll smooth it out. Something's missing. Ah, I know. I'll add pebbles around the pool. This'll make it look better. I'm happy with that. It needs a lounge chair. It's a great spot to relax. Oh, I almost forgot. I'll need water. In it goes. It's the right temperature. My doll will be so cozy. Want to take a dip? Try it out. Pretty good, huh? Whoa, no way. Close your mouth. Meh, whatever. I can beat that. All I need is a piece of cardboard. It can go right here. I'll need to decorate it. This looks nice. It'll add some color. I'll do the same with white card. One wall won't do it. I need more. These'll do the job. I'm making a shower room. I'll stick them together. I love the floral print. Now I'll need a shower. That wasn't so hard. Nice job! Ready? Get in there. You need to freshen up. Oh yeah! That's more like it. What do you think? Wow! It's amazing! What's next? It's fantastic! You need to see the pool. We should have a party! Yeah, I'm gonna win! What are you doing? They're ignoring us. It's so pretty. This is unbelievable. Huh? Hang on. Oops, sorry. It won't happen again. Wait, I have an idea! What are you talking about? Watch this. You're gonna love it. I'll need a piece of card and a pen. I'll draw on the card, just like this. Aw, it's so cute! Now I'll add some color. You can't go wrong with pink. It's like a phone screen. I'll add a border to 2 more pieces. Then I'll stick the phone screen to them. I'll cut the back section in half. Trust me, it's all part of the plan. I'll make it into a box. I'll do the same with the bottom half. The front piece can go on now. I'll fold it over. It's a flip phone. It's adorable! I wish I had this phone. But this is for my doll. I wish I had thought of that. How am I gonna beat that? I know! Come here! Oh, wow. Sounds good. Check this out. I'll stick black card to cardboard. Now I'll flip it over. I'll stick gray card to the other side. This will be a computer screen. I'll put this pear stick in the middle. Now for the next part. I'll need to make a keyboard. Now for the fun part. I've got a piece of clear film. I'll draw on it. Luckily, I'm feeling creative. I'll start with a tree. I'm enjoying this. That should do it. Now I'll put it in the computer. Ready to be amazed? This is just what my doll needs. Here you go. She loves it. Wow, I'm impressed. That should keep them busy. Now where were we? Pay attention, class. This will be on the exam. You don't want to fail. Okay, who can answer this? Any volunteers? Ooh, me. Let me see. Who should I pick? What is going on back there? What about me? Be patient, class. Hello? Oh, that's it. Wake up! What? What happened? No one move. This is a crime scene. I better investigate. Just as I thought. There's only one suspect. What are you doing? You're going downtown. I can't look. Do something, Granny! This can't be happening. I have a bad feeling about this. I'm on the case. I need to find the real perp. There must be a clue. Hang on. Tangy. That can only mean one thing. Aha! It's tomato juice! Previously on CSI 123 Go, Mindy was framed for a crime she didn't commit. She faces a life behind bars. There's only one hope. Will Granny save the day? Let's find out. It's tomato juice! Just as I thought. This is a setup. I'm coming, Mindy! Uh-oh, gotta go. Where's she going in a hurry? I better check this out. Oh, it's locked. Time for some answers. Whew, that was close. But you're mine. I'm gonna enjoy this. I've been waiting all day. Delicious. That's hitting the spot. Nothing can ruin this moment. What is she doing? So refreshing. She's eating junk food. I'm glad no one can see me. Better get to class. She's gone. This is my chance. I'll need to examine this. Yes, just as I thought. It's a glass. Wait, I know. I'll dust for prints. I can use my makeup. Here goes. Wait, I see something. Now I'll need to lift it. I can use tape for that. I'll place it over the fingerprint. I'll give it a press. Then I'll lift it off. Gotcha! I'll add this to my evidence book. All my clues are in here. In it goes. I'll find out who framed Mindy. I'm getting closer to the truth. But who does the mystery print belong to? This case is tricky. It's the hardest one I've worked on. I mean, it's the only case I've worked on, but you get it. How deep does this go? What a day. Keep going. Don't stop. This seems unfair. Why do you get the snacks? Crime fighting is hungry work. You gotta be alert. Psst. Over here. Granny, you're here! I'm so glad to see you! Take it easy. Get me out of here! Huh? What's all the noise? You're not finished! Shh, give me a second! Wait a second. Uh-oh, busted. What are you doing? No talking to prisoners. Sorry, I'll be quiet. What are we gonna do? Wait, I've got it. I'll dip paper into water. Then I'll place it on a piece of plastic. I'll lay more paper on top. That should be enough. Now I can write a message. I'll tell Granny what really happened. The truth needs to get out there. Now I'll lift the top sheet. I'll use a hairdryer on the paper. The message is vanishing. No one will ever know. Granny, take this! You can count on me. Gotta go. Hey, you dropped something. Huh? What is this? I'm counting on you, Granny. Why are you standing around? Oh, I hate prison. I need to tunnel out of here. Ugh, I'm so close to cracking the case. What does Mindy want to tell me? I'll spray water onto the paper. There's a message. I don't believe it. This is it. I've busted this case wide open. I hope I'm not too late. Wake up! Huh? What's going on? Stop! I've solved it! No, wait! She did it! The evidence is right here! Look, it's okay! I'm tired. I guess I'll go. See ya. Are you kidding me? Mindy, you're free! Yeah, I'm so happy to see you. I'm going back to sleep.